Papa Kelly here, and I have a question from Abby, a client called Abby, and she's asking, between Samsung Galaxy A16 and Samsung S10, which one is better? Okay, well, I will not be displaying the phones today, but I will just pick. A series is a mid-range device. S series is a flagship, is a high-end device. Okay, so from just that, you can obviously tell that the S10 wins. Okay, and I'll tell you why the S10 is better than the A16. Although the S10 is an older device, because that was released a few years back, it actually came with the Android 9. We used to call it Pi at the time. Still, the S10 is better than the Samsung A16 in so many ways. All right, so one is that the S10 is water resistant. All right, the S10 has wireless charging, which the A16 doesn't have. The S10 has a better resolution than the A16. When you look at the A16 comes with 385 ppi. The S10 comes with 550 ppi. Okay, the S10 again has 1440 by 3040 pixels. 1440 by 3040. I hope you're getting the figures. The S16 only has 1080 by 2340. So you can actually see that the S10 is better. All right, and of course, I know there are other areas where the A16 wins over the S10 in areas of battery, but generally speaking, if we are looking at performance, we will actually go for the S10. Okay. Also, looking at the camera, the S10 has a better camera. And talking of performance, looking at the chipset of the two devices, the S10 comes with an Exynos 9820, 8 nanometer. Okay, the S16 comes with G99, MediaTek Helio G99, 6 nanometer. The processor speed, the clock speed of the S10 is 2.73 gigahertz. The clock speed of S16 is 2.2 gigahertz. Can you see those figures? Okay, yeah. Camera wise, the S10 I think had one of the best cameras in the world. Okay, at the time it had 12, that is on the rear, 12 plus 12 plus 16, and I can tell you guys that time real cameras were real, not like nowadays. Okay, the lenses used at the time were super dope lenses, so you'd capture 4K videos at 60 frames per second effortlessly, nice quality, video quality. You'd be surprised. You'd think that the video has been captured by an action camera. Okay, well, obviously looking at those two, the S10 wins over the A16 in a very big margin. But the catch is the A16 has a better battery of 5,000 milliampere battery, while the S10 only has that 3,400 milliampere battery. So you're going to have issues with battery with the S10 because of course the battery is small. Okay, but if you don't mind the battery, you mind performance, you mind camera, you mind a screen display, smooth screen display, go for the S10. Okay, thank you so much. I hope I've been able to answer your question, Abby. If you're there also wondering which phone you can go for, talk to me. I'll be able to respond to you. Asante.